Hello my shining stars. So today we are starting new book, new class 3, learn and solve maths. This is the cover page of the book. So this book by Children Voice Publication Riddhi series. So class 3, so very interesting book. So let's start. Chapter 3 Subtraction. In the previous class we have studied about subtraction of 2 and 3 digit numbers without and with borrowing. Before starting subtraction of 4 digit numbers, let us revise what we have learned so far. So warm up. The first one, subtract these without regrouping. Like B part, 87 minus 56. So first subtract ones digit. 7 में से हम 6 minus करेंगे, you know very well, 1. 8 minus 5. First of all, ones digit minus करते हैं, then tens digit. So 8 minus 5, this is 3. Similarly, C part, these two are 3 digit number. So ones digit 3 minus 1, 2. Tens digit 5 minus 3, 2. 100 digit 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. Similarly, we can try remaining parts. The second one, subtract these with regrouping. Like here, B part, 753 minus 327. See the ones digit, 3 minus 7 is not possible because 3 is smaller than 7. तो हम borrow करेंगे tens digit से. This becomes 13 and this becomes 4. 13 minus 7, 6. 4 minus 2, अब tens digit देखेंगे, 4 minus 2 हम कर सकते हैं, तो 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 100 digit 7 minus 3, this is 4. Okay. Now here C part, 708 minus 348. Subtract ones digit, 8 minus 8, 0. Now tens digit 0 minus 4, not possible. Borrow करेंगे 100 digit से. So this becomes 10 and this becomes 6. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Right? The third one day 73 passengers boarded a bus. At the next stop, 25 passengers deboarded the bus. यानी बस से उतर गए. How many passengers were left in the bus? So what will you do, my dear children? 73 total minus 25. So ones digit को minus करेंगे, 3 minus 5 not possible. Borrow करेंगे, so ये बन जाएगा 13, ये बन जाएगा 6. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. Answer is 48. The next is subtraction of 3 digit numbers. Regrouping tens to ones. Example, there were 673 flowers in a garden. A garland maker plucked 256 flowers to make garland. How many flowers were left in the garden? So to get the answer, what to do? 673 minus 256. How many left? जहाँ पर left की बात होगी, it means what to do? Subtraction. So total 673 minus 256. So first of all, arrange the numbers, ones, tens, 100. So 673 minus 256. Now ones digit 3 minus 6 not possible. Borrow करेंगे tens digit से, this becomes 13. So 13 minus 6, this is 7. Okay. Now what to do? The next step, subtract the tens. Now 6 minus 5, this becomes 1. Okay. Now here subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So answer is 417 flowers left in the garden. Now regrouping hundreds to tens. Example, on Monday 458 people visited the zoo, but on Tuesday only 286 people visited the zoo. How many less people visited the zoo on Monday? So here to get the answer, what to do? दोनों को हम minus कर देंगे. So how to do? Arrange the numbers, ones, tens, 100. 458 minus 286. So they are showing like this, 400 boxes, 5 tens and here 8 ones. Okay, now 286, 200 boxes, 8 tens and 6 ones. So हम क्या करेंगे, 8 में से 6 माइनस कर देंगे. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, now come to tens. Now tens में क्या है, 5 minus 8. So 5 minus 8 is not possible. So what to do, बोरो करेंगे 100 से, ये बन जाएगा 15 tens. यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे 15 tens minus 8, उसमें से 8 कट कर देंगे. So how many left, 7 tens, right? And 100 digit बन जाएगा 3 हमारा. Now subtract the 100. 3 minus 2, this is 1. So answer is 172 less people, right? Now regrouping twice. Example, a shopkeeper had 551 pouches of shampoo. During the day he sold 263 pouches. How many pouches of shampoo were left with him? It means subtraction. So total 551 minus 263. So what to do, subtract the ones. यानी 1 में से हम 3 तो माइनस नहीं करेंगे, तो रीग्रुपिंग करेंगे. हम लेंगे 1 बोरो 10 से, this becomes 11 and this becomes 4. So 11 minus 3, this is 8, right? Now come to tens. टेंस में हमारे पास क्या है, 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is not possible. 4 छोटा है 6 से, so what to do, बोरो करेंगे 100 से, this becomes 14 and 100 digit becomes 4. So 14 minus 6, this is 8. Now subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 2, this is 2. So answer is 288. So assessment 1, the first one, subtract the following by regrouping tens. Like here, C part, 848 minus 472. तो ones digit को पहले माइनस करेंगे. 8 minus 2, 6. Now tens, 4 minus 7 not possible. बोरो करेंगे, ये बन जाएगा 14, ये बन जाएगा 7. 14 minus 7, 7. And 7 minus 4, 100 digit, this is 3. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The second one, subtract the following by regrouping ones and tens. Like here, C part, 517 minus 228. So ones digit 7 minus 8, not possible. 7 is smaller than 8. तो बोरो करेंगे 10 से, ये बन जाएगा 17 और ये बन जाएगा 0. 17 minus 8 is 9. Now tens digit 0 minus 2, not possible. तो बोरो करेंगे 100 digit से, ये बन जाएगा 10, ये बन जाएगा 4. 10 minus 2, 8 and 100 digit 4 minus 2, that is 2. Similarly, you can try the third question. Now subtraction with 0 and ones. To subtract from zeros and ones, we often need to regroup twice. See subtraction with zeros, like find 500 minus 254. So first arrange the numbers, ones, tens, 100. 500 minus 254. So this is what to do. So here 0 minus 4. 0 में से 4 तो माइनस नहीं करेंगे. So what to do, हम करेंगे रीग्रुपिंग, यानी बोरो करेंगे टेंस से. टेंस के पास ऑलरेडी 0 है, तो पहले टेंस क्या करेगा, बोरो कर लेगा 100 से. तो 100 डिजिट बन जाएगा 4. ओके, ये बन गया 10. अब 10 ने 1 इसको दिया, दिस बिकम्स 9 and one's digit is 10. So 10 minus 4, that is 6. Now here 9 minus 5, that is 4. Okay, 9 minus 5, ये बन जाएगा 4. And this is 4 minus 2, this is 2. So answer is 246, right? I hope this is clear to you. Remember, just subtract 1 from both the numbers and then solve. See here now, subtract with ones, like find 612 minus 266. So arrange the numbers. 612 minus 266. See the ones digit, this is 2. -6 नॉट पॉसिबल, तो हम करेंगे बोरो 10 से। 10 के पास 1 है, 1 वो दे देगा 1s को, ये बन जाएगा 12 और 10 बन जाएगा 0। सो नाउ 12 - 6 ये बन जाएगा 6। अब 10th डिजिट 0 - 6 नॉट पॉसिबल, तो 10th डिजिट बोरो करेगा 100 से, ये बन जाएगा 10। 10 - 6 इज 4 एंड 100 डिजिट बन जाएगा 5। 5 - 2 is 3. So answer is 346. Now assessment 2, subtract these by regrouping like B part. 870 minus 554. So ones digit 0 - 4 not possible. बोरो करेंगे 10 से, ये बन जाएगा 10, ये बन जाएगा 6. 10 - 4 6. अब 10th digit 6 - 5, yes 1, and 100 digit 8 - 5 3. Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now checking subtraction with addition, very simple. We can check whether the result obtained after subtraction is correct or not by adding the smaller number and the difference. If the bigger number is equal to the sum obtained, then the difference is correct. See how to do. 637 में से 313 minus कर दें, we are getting 324. Now we just want to check whether we are doing right or wrong. हम क्या करेंगे, जो difference है और जो smaller number यानी जिसको minus किया है उन दोनों का sum ले लेंगे. And if we are getting the first number biggest number, it means our correction, our sum is right. Similarly 573 minus 239 minus करेंगे, we are getting 334. अब इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, 334 plus 239, we are getting this number only. It means our sum is correct. So assessment 3, the first one, subtract these and check your answer by addition. Like here A part, 8 minus 3 5, 7 minus 1 6, 4 minus 2 2. अब चेक करना है यानी इन दोनों को ऐड कर दें. सो 265 प्लस 213. सो 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 2 4. We are getting 478. It means this is right. Similarly B part, 3 minus 8 not possible. बोरो करेंगे 13 minus 8 5, ये बन जाएगा 8. 8 minus 5 3. So 9 minus 1 8. Now add these two. 835 158. दोनों को ऐड करें. 5 plus 8 13, 3 and 1 carry. 5 3 and 1 9. 8 plus 1 9. Yes, same number. It means our answer is correct. Now the next is subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping or borrowing. See here example. Find 8,568 minus 5,317. So arrange the numbers in columns. Now first subtract the ones. So 8 minus 7 1. Subtract 10, 6 minus 1 5. Subtract 100, 5 minus 3 2. Subtract 1000, 8 minus 5 3. So answer is 3251. Okay, now alternative method, subtracting 4-digit numbers using expanded form. See example, subtract 6583 from 7796. So write in the expanded form. 7796, 7790 and 6. 6583, 6580 and 3. अब दोनों को माइनस कर दें. 6 में से 3 माइनस करें, 3. 90 minus 80 10. 700 minus 500 200. 7000 minus 6000 1000. So answer is 1213, 1213. Okay, now assessment 4, find the difference. First question, so here like this one you can do. 4053 minus 3042. So subtract ones digit. 3 minus 2, 1. Tens, 5 minus 4, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining one. The second one, arrange in columns and then subtract. So very simple, like C part, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 5921 में से 3810 माइनस कर देंगे. So ones digit 1 minus 0, 1, tens 2 minus 1, 1, 100, 9 minus 8, 1, 5 minus 3, 2. This is the answer. Similarly, you can try the third question. Subtract the following using expanded form and also check the answer. You can do on your own. Now we are talking about subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing or regrouping. Example, subtract 4866 from 8533. So first of all, arrange the numbers in columns like this. Now subtract ones digit 3 minus 6. Not possible. तो बोरो करेंगे 10 से, ये बन जाएगा 13 और टेंस डिजिट बन जाएगा 2. 13 minus 6, 7. अब टेंस डिजिट 2 minus 6. 2 tens is less than 6 tens. So बोरो 1 from 100, ये बन जाएगा 12 और ये बन जाएगा 4. 12 minus 6, that is 6. Okay. Now 100 कॉलम पर आ जाएंगे. This is 4 minus 8. 400 is less than 800, माइनस नहीं कर सकते. फिर बोरो करेंगे 1000 से, ये बन जाएगा 14 minus 8, that is 600. ओके. और 1000 डिजिट बन जाएगा 7 minus 4, that is 3. So answer is 3667. So assessment 5, you can try this one like the first one. Subtract the following, like B part, 8983 minus 3876. So 3 minus 6 not possible. Borrow 13 minus 6, 7. ये बन जाएगा 7. 7 minus 7, yes, 0. 100, 9 minus 8, 1. 1000, 8 minus 3, 5. Similarly, you can try these remaining question. Now here, addition and subtraction together. Example 1, solve 4366 plus 1723 minus 2332. तो हम क्या करेंगे? इन दोनों नंबर को फर्स्ट ऐड कर दें. Add these two numbers, simple, जैसे हम एडिशन करते हैं. So this is the sum. अब इस सम में से थर्ड नंबर को माइनस कर देंगे. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So do you know the number written without plus or minus sign is taken up as having plus sign. See assessment 6. Solve these following in your notebook. So the first one, like 725 minus 290 plus 415. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 725 और 415 को प्लस कर दें पहले. Add these two, 5, 5, 10. So 1140. So 1140 माइनस कर दें 290. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 9 not possible. बोरो करेंगे. So it becomes 14 minus 9, 5. ये बन जाएगा 0. 0 minus 2 not possible. बोरो करेंगे 1000 से, ये बन जाएगा 10 और यहाँ पर 0. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So answer is 850. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Question 2, solve the following. A part, Rohan saved rupees 5527 in 1 month and rupees 3252 in the next month. He spent this money 6310 in all in these 2 months. How much money is still left with him? So my dear children, how you can do it? So 1, you have to add these two first. How much saved total? First write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 5527 plus 3252। इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, 7 + 2 9, 5 + 2 7, 5 + 2 7, 5 + 3 8. Now from this subtract this one because he spent, okay, so 8779 minus 6310, ones, tens, 100,000. So 9 minus 0, 9, 7 minus 1, 6, 7 minus 3, 4, and 8 minus 6, 2. So answer is rupees 2469 left with him. Okay, similarly you can try B part. Now word problem, example 1, there are 7760 eggs in a poultry farm. Out of them these eggs were sold. How many eggs are left? So what to do? दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे. So answer is 3282. So I hope this is clear to you. Assessment 7 है, you can try these question on your own. ऐसे ही aptitude reasoning है, you can try this one. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.